In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a rectangle here in Canva. Now, there's a couple of different ways that we can go about this. We can use Canva shapes, or we can use elements. Now, if we want to use a Canva shape, we can simply press R on the keyboard. For a quick shortcut, it's going to bring up a square, and then we can just drag out the side to make a rectangle. Now with this we get a lot more customization rather than an element. Now we'll go through that in a second, but first if we come over to elements, we can find this square which we turned into a rectangle under shapes with square just here. But if we want a different rectangle, we can type that in the search bar, we can click enter, then we're going to have a lot more options, but they're not going to be very customizable. So if we come onto graphics, there's all of these different rectangles that we can use. Then if we click on one of these, it's going to add it to the page. This one we can customize a little bit because it's an SVG, which means we can actually change the colors up here. But my favorite is to use Canva shapes, because with this we can change the color. So we can change this to anything that we want. We can add a border as well with a few different border styles. We can increase that border. We can change the border color as well. So let's go with a yellow. And we can even round these corners just like that. Now the great thing about this rectangle is that we can also make this transparent. So if we click onto it, come up to the little color icon, click on here where it says no color, we now have a transparent rectangle. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to create a rectangle here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.